this
Good.
one actually.
We're not just gonna.
Here we have the mod bit where it actually terminates onto a steep roof pitch. And right here where it makes this, the turn, the pitch change, we actually have the mod bit that's up here about 18 to 20 inches up the roof. That's going to give you more protection because snow does sit in here. So you're going to want to have that go up the roof for that reason, to protect your roof from any water intrusion from that. The only thing different I would do different here with this mod bit is you could actually see where it's raised up right here. Is actually sealed, which is really good, sealed down already. But the underlying layer, you should have a dog ear on here so that way when you have the mastic seal on here to seal it, it creates a better seal and water doesn't have a channel to follow its way back under here. So, but thankfully this one did seal down, so it's good. Would like to see that dog ear in every joint. You can see the ridge cap here on the hip going down, terminating, ending on this mod bit flat roof system. You can see the sealant seal sealed on there, so it's nice and tight. Nothing's gonna get on us. That's done really well.